Toyota Century 2025. Luxury, elegance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Toyota Century is here to redefine the premium sedan segment. A name synonymous with prestige in Japan, the Century has always been Toyota's ultimate expression of craftsmanship. But in 2025, the Century is not just about tradition, it's about innovation. With a bold new design, an ultra-luxurious interior, and an advanced hybrid powertrain, this sedan aims to compete with the world's finest. In this review, we'll take a deep dive into everything that makes the 2025 Toyota Century special, from its striking exterior to its high-end comfort, performance, and overall driving experience. Let's get started. Car details. The 2025 Toyota Century is more than just a luxury car, it's a statement. Designed primarily for chauffeured executives and dignitaries, the Century continues its legacy as Toyota's flagship sedan. This latest model retains its dignified stature, measuring around 5.3 meters, 208 inches in length with an extended wheelbase for superior rear seat comfort. Under the hood, Toyota has introduced a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain, replacing the outgoing V8, ensuring a balance between power and efficiency. The hybrid system delivers an estimated 400 horsepower, allowing for smooth acceleration while maintaining an eco-friendly footprint. Power is sent to all four wheels via an electrified AWD system, enhancing both traction and stability. Toyota has fine-tuned this model to provide an ultra-quiet ride, perfect for those who prioritize refinement over raw speed. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Century commands attention with its stately and elegant design. Unlike flashy luxury sedans, the Century maintains a sense of understated opulence, a characteristic deeply rooted in Japanese automotive philosophy. The bold, upright grille with intricate chrome detailing gives it a regal presence, while the sleek LED headlights add a modern touch. The overall design remains boxy, yet refined, exuding a presence that rivals Rolls-Royce and Bentley. One of the most unique elements is the hand-painted Phoenix emblem on the front grille, a symbol of prestige exclusive to the Century lineup. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the elegant body lines, flush door handles, and soft closed doors, all contributing to a seamless and sophisticated look. The multi-spoke 20-inch wheels add to the grandeur, while the optional two-tone paint scheme further elevates its luxury appeal. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Century, and you're immediately immersed in a world of unmatched luxury. Toyota has spared no expense in crafting an interior that rivals the most elite luxury brands. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, and plush wool upholstery, the latter being an option for those who prefer traditional Japanese craftsmanship. The rear seats are where the real magic happens. Designed for ultimate relaxation, these seats offer fully reclining functionality, massage features, and individual climate control. The 21-speaker premium sound system ensures a concert-like audio experience, while the retractable 12.3-inch entertainment screens provide on-the-go entertainment. Adding to the exclusivity, the Century comes with an electronic privacy glass partition, ensuring complete seclusion for rear passengers. The front cabin is equally impressive, featuring a digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch infotainment system, and an intuitive layout designed for both the driver and the chauffeur. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Toyota Century is in a league of its own. Toyota engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure an ultra-smooth ride, incorporating adaptive air suspension and active noise cancellation. The result, a near-silent cabin, even at highway speeds. The rear seat experience is nothing short of first class, with electrically adjustable footrests, ambient lighting, and a built-in refrigerator to store your beverages. Whether you're traveling long distances or simply commuting in the city, the Century's cabin feels like a mobile luxury lounge. Even the smallest details, like the soft closing doors and power-operated sunshades, contribute to an effortlessly serene environment. Toyota has also equipped the car with an AI-powered concierge system, capable of adjusting settings based on passenger preferences. Performance. While the 2025 Toyota Century isn't built for high-speed performance like a sports sedan, its V6 hybrid powertrain ensures a refined and powerful driving experience. The 400 horsepower output provides effortless acceleration, allowing the Century to glide smoothly on highways and city roads alike. The electrified all-wheel drive AWD ensures superior traction, especially in wet or uneven road conditions. Toyota has tuned the continuously variable transmission (CVT) to deliver a smooth and responsive drive, eliminating the jerky feel often associated with hybrids. What truly sets the Century apart is its air suspension system, which adapts in real time to road conditions, offering a pillow-soft ride. Despite its size, the car remains incredibly stable and composed, thanks to advanced chassis tuning and rear-wheel steering, making low-speed maneuvering much easier. Conclusion. So, is the 2025 Toyota Century the ultimate luxury sedan? Absolutely. Toyota has taken everything that made the Century legendary and refined it to an even higher level. With a stunning yet reserved design, an ultra-luxurious interior, next-level comfort, and a smooth hybrid powertrain, the Century stands as a true competitor to high-end luxury brands. It's not just a car, it's an experience, an embodiment of Japanese craftsmanship and precision. If you're looking for a chauffeur-driven luxury sedan that prioritizes comfort, exclusivity, and cutting-edge technology, the Toyota Century remains a top contender. It may not have the same global recognition as Rolls-Royce or Bentley, but for those who understand true luxury, the Century is a masterpiece. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota Century. What are your thoughts on this incredible luxury sedan? Would you pick this over a Rolls-Royce or a Mercedes-Maybach? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.